Hey everybody, Assalamu alaikum. How's going? I hope you all are fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you how can we make a LED flasher using two transistors. So here is the very simple circuit for the flasher. You see, this is a PNP transistor and this is a NPN transistor. So using these two transistor we will drive output, and as output we have kept here LED. Its working principle is very simple. When you will energize this circuit, this PNP transistors emitter will get positive volt and this NPN transistors emitter will get the ground, and through this resistor this capacitor will start charging. Actually this is a coupling capacitor. When the voltage reaches around 0.6 volt, that time this transistor will active and then it will active this transistor and it will give us the output, and as output we have used here LED. So this is how this circuit works. If we want to vary the frequency of the output, then we have to change the value of R1 and C1. So depending on charging and discharging, the output frequency will vary. So I'm going to play the simulation. You see it is blinking. This simple way we can make a LED flasher, and if we want to drive a heavy load, that time we can use a relay here or we can use a MOSFET. So this was all about the circuit, the working principle of this circuit. This is our hands-on session. I have kept the value of its components value as in the simulation, and now I'm going to add a buzzer. Don't forget to use this freewheel diode. If you don't, your circuit will damage, so don't forget it. I have shown you the simulation and I have kept a hands-on session as well. So I hope you should not have any doubt with this circuit, and if you have, don't hesitate to make a comment in comment box. So I hope you like this video. Take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.